Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to search for the latest job opportunities on the LinkedIn platform. Okay, so let's get started. So we all know that LinkedIn is one of the most famous platform, especially for the professionals where you can search for the jobs, you can put a post and you can connect with the other professionals across the globe. Okay, so we also know that we can search for the jobs on the LinkedIn platform by navigating to the jobs section. Okay. So, but in this particular video, I'm going to tell you where you can see the latest job opportunities on the LinkedIn platform. That means there are so many recruiters or there are so many HRs or there are so many professionals across the globe. Okay, if they are hiring and if their hiring is going on in their team, they will personally post the job posting on this platform. Okay, for example, suppose if you are looking for any kind of specific role. Okay, so here I will take some example. Whether you are looking for data analyst role. Okay, suppose if you are looking for the data analyst role, you can type data analyst and you can press enter. Once you press the enter, here you can see so many options like jobs, post, people, groups, products, schools, courses, and all. Okay, so for that, what you can do is like you can just go to the posts. Once you click on the posts, so here you can see some of the posts related to the data analyst role. Okay, so here you can see data analyst remote role mandatory skills Power BI SQL Dinedo and all. Okay, so similarly here you can see so many other posts related to the data analyst role. Okay, so these are all the roles the peoples or the professionals across the globe they have posted personally, and here you can see the openings related to the data analyst role. Okay, so here you can see like they have put a opening on the data analyst. Optum is hiring for the data analyst. If you are interested, you can ping this particular person personally and you can ask for like I saw the openings on the data analyst like you have posted on the LinkedIn platform, so that I would like to apply for it. Okay, so these are all the latest posts. So here you can see this has been posted 20 hours back, and this has been posted 9 hours back, and this has been posted one day ago. Okay, so these are all the latest jobs, latest posts. So like the main difference between the job section and the post is like the job means like whether the openings has been closed or whether the job has been posted sometime long ago and all. Okay, but here these posts are like the latest posts. So here you can see like when it has been posted and all. Okay, so this will be really helpful if you are looking for the job seriously, and if you're searching for the job seriously, where you can connect with the professionals and you can connect with that particular person, who or she, like he or she, like you can just talk to them and you can discuss with them and you can apply for that particular role. Okay, so this is how you can see the latest job opportunities or the latest posts on the LinkedIn platform regarding the job which you are targeting for it. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.